On June 24th, marking the 13th Passport Seva Divas, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar announced the full-scale rollout of the Passport Seva Program PSP version 2.0 and the nationwide implementation of e-passports. So here's all you need to know about Passport Seva Program 2.0 and the e-passports. Passport Seva 2.0 is an upgraded version of India's Passport Seva program. It focuses on faster, more transparent and technologically driven processes, including the nationwide rollout of chip-based e-passports. It utilizes advanced technology, including AI-driven upgrades, to streamline application processes and reduce processing times, ensuring quicker passport issuance. It incorporates faster and more efficient police verification processes to reduce delays in passport issuance. It also aims to increase accessibility to passport services through a wider network, including Passport Seva Kendras and common services centers in rural areas. Now let's talk about e-passports, the main highlight of PSP 2.0. An e-passport is a passport embedded with radio frequency identification, in short RFID chips. It has an antenna embedded as inlay. The chip will store the biometric and personal information of the passport holder. This chip-based e-passport complies with International Civil Aviation Organization standards and offers enhanced security against tampering and identity theft. The e-passport has a small additional gold color symbol printed below the front cover, which will help distinguish from regular passports. Now, what are the possible benefits of this passport? E-passports will have the traveler's data available for authentication in two forms, printed on the booklet in physical form, as well as in digital form on the electronic chip. These features can help safeguard the passport against potential forgeries and fraudulent activities like fake passports. So, do you need to change your existing passport? Well, no, you don't need to do anything. Existing passport holders need not to worry. Their passports do not need to be exchanged for e-passports. All the passports issued by the Indian government so far will continue to remain valid till their expiry date. And after that, you will apply for a new passport with a similar process and an e-passport will be issued automatically.